Hi guys, before I start this video, remember to click subscribe if you want to see more content, and click the like button if you liked this video, and remember to click the notification bell to see more of our upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's roll the intro. Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to find free games on the Nintendo Switch. So if you go into the Nintendo eShop, just wait for that to load. Sorry if this video kind of seems a bit rushed. I kind of forgot to do one for a Monday video because I've now got this new channel. So yeah. So if you type down free, it'll pop up with free games up there. Then you search for that. And some of them may show up with a price on it. So if you go for the price range and put free download as a filter, it'll only show up with the free games until you run out of all the free games, obviously. But if you also want to get the content type, you can change it. It's already on all. You also have software and downloadable content. Oh look, the new LEGO Star Wars Skywalker Saga Japanese language pack. Didn't think they'd have any free packs for that. But you'll be shocked at how much free stuff you can actually find for your games and that. There's also a few free things for Smash Bros. And also Fortnite's right there. But that's not really what this video was about. So I'm just gonna leave it as that. It doesn't take a long time to find them. So peace out guys. Let's roll the outro.